So guys, on my table, you can see I have unripe plantain. I'm not preparing unripe plantain porridge, neither am I making chips. Rather, I'm preparing plantain soup. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm making plantain soup, and on my table, you can see varieties of ingredients for this soup. We have our ripe plantain. This is ugu. We are using goat meat and beef, and our peppers and onions, palm oil, salt, crayfish, bouillon cube, thyme for the meat, then cow skin, kanda. We have some isam periwinkle here. We have stockfish fillet. We have our smoked panla fish. I have some dried prawns, and I have some uziza seed to give it that local taste. Then I have my washed bitter leaf, because we'll be using bitter leaf and ugu. Then I have the chopped onion. So guys, what I'll do first is that I'll put the meat in the pot, let it start boiling with its own juice before I come back to prepare the other things. So guys, in the pot, I'll add in the beef and goat meat, onions, chopped onions, some thyme, and then some bouillon cube, because I just like to boil my meat with thyme and onions. Then I'll add some salt. But feel free to add any seasoning of your choice. So now I'll take it to the gas cooker, let it start boiling with its own juice. So guys, while the meat is boiling, let us blend all the blendables. So first, I'll add in the washed crayfish. So I'm adding the prawn, dried prawn. This is optional, but it gives your soup another taste. Then this is uziza seed. I love using uziza seed to cook my local delicacies. Then we have pepper and onions. Add as much as you can tolerate. Then now, the master of our soup, which is the plantain, unripe plantain. I'll just peel, cut into the blender, then I'll blend. So guys, you can see I'm done peeling the plantain, unripe plantain, for emphasis. Then I'll cut it into smaller chunks so that your blender blade can turn. I'll add in some water, then I'll blend. Make sure you add enough water. So guys, while the meat is on the fire, let me now cut the pumpkin leaves. You can use any vegetable of your choice, but I'm using washed vegetable and this ugu. Pumpkin leaves, yeah. You have to cut it thinly. So my people, if you are stopping by for the first time, please just hit that subscribe button. And if you have been following me, thank you so very much. I love you all. Keep liking my videos and keep watching. Keep sharing. Keep sharing. You can see that I'm done cutting the ugu leaves. Let me check the meat if it's now time for me to add some water. So guys, you can see the meat is already cooking, and it's cooking for like 10 minutes. And you can see that it brought out its own juice. So now I'll add some more water for it to keep boiling. Then I will now add the stockfish fillet, because it's a bit hard, so you can cook with it. Then I'll add the cow skin too, because it's a bit hard, so they just cook together. So guys, you can see the meat has boiled down. The water is reduced. So I'll add in some more water, but it depends on the quantity of soup that you are cooking. So don't over add the water so you don't have a watery soup. So at this point now, I'll add in the fish. You can use any fish of your choice. I'll add in bouillon cube. Then I'll add in oil. Then I'll be adding some more salt. So at this point, I'll cover the pot and let it simmer. My people, you can see how the soup is bubbling. But if you have been following me and you have watched up to this moment, you still haven't hit that subscribe button, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and keep watching, keep sharing. So this is what we have at this point. I'll add in the periwinkle. The periwinkle is optional. Then it is now time for me to add in our blended plantain, uziza seed, pepper, and onions. This is the master of this soup. Make sure you blend it into a nice puree. So you stir. Wow, the aroma in my kitchen at this moment is so amazing. So I'll cover the pot once more and let it keep cooking. So guys, this is what we have. So now it's time for me to add our vegetables. I'll be adding the bitter leaf first. Then I'll add the pumpkin leaves. Then I'll add some more crayfish for more taste and flavor. And after 2 minutes, I'll turn off the heat and our Unripe plantain soup is ready. Get your swallow ready. Just allow it to cook for some more, just 2 minutes, so I don't overcook the vegetable. So guys, this is after 2 minutes. Let me test for salt and pepper and seasoning to know if I'll be adding some more. The pepper is okay. Seasoning is okay. Everything is okay. So I'll turn off the heat now. Just keep liking and keep sharing. So guys, plantain soup is ready. Get your swallow, any swallow of your choice. Fit farm, I'm not taking any swallow. I'll just be licking my soup. This is so nice, so delicious, guys. I bet you to try it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. My son said, Mommy, which one is plantain soup again? Hope you know I'm not eating this soup. I said, not to worry, don't eat it. I'll eat it myself, don't worry. And I tell you, this soup is so nice. So guys, we've come to the end of this video today. Thanks for watching. Keep liking, keep sharing, and I will see you in my next. Bye-bye.